uses its like concepts rather than what C does, because in SIG structures are namespaces and structures and files, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like utilizing one thing, one simple concept for in three places, which C doesn't do. So if you would do something like that in C, think about that.
I'm really trying to think, but it's
Yeah.
it's grinding my gears trying to think.
But I mean, overall, C
Mm.
is simpler because like you don't really have much. For example, like that arrays just being pointers and stuff. Like that's also a
Oh well,
reusable like thing, you know.
you can do that in SIG also. You just have to do more casting then.
Hello, Monkey
Yeah,
Mayhem.
but that means it's more complex. So
Let's see.
Well, it's just that SIG has a type system that is, usable, and C doesn't.
yeah. But you know, I'm not saying that more complex is a bad thing, you know. But I'm just saying
Well,
like
yeah,
I think
it's a curve that goes
yeah,
like
exactly.
it's like if it's really simple, it's all right.
Yeah, that's
If it's like
assembly kind of.
exactly, it's like it's okay, it's good for
Yeah.
what it's supposed to do, but like you shouldn't really use it, right? And then there's like it's a little simple, but it's also like it's good, and then it's
Yeah.
like normal, and then there's C++, which is awful and overly complicated. We don't want to go there.
Yeah,
Well,
no.
the thing is, Rust is also complicated, right? But
Yeah,
not
yeah,
as bad as
exactly.
C++.
Well, it's just
That's the
complicated
thing.
in a different way. It's still terrible to use though. Okay, guys, if you weren't convinced that Rust was a bad language, I saw someone make a Rust macro that runs Python, and I mean it doesn't like copy the text and like put it into like the Python runtime. No, no, no. It compiles that Python into Rust in the macro. And there's no
Mm.
like it's not a string, it's actual like keywords because macros get the
What
tokens.
are you saying?
So wow. Yeah, I'm dying inside of this, bro.
Rook's right.
Yeah. Rock's right. Yes.
Okay, guys, but I need to eat real quick so
Yep.
I can
Mm.
rest and let like the food chill a little bit before I train, you know.
Makes sense, makes
Right,
sense.
right.
Rook's
Yeah.
right.
Rook's right to me also.
Okay.
Lubas. Lubas.
Lubas, is that me?
Lubas.
Mm-hmm.
Screen share.
All right. I know.
Screen
I did
share.
scream. I will scream.
It's pronounced screen share. Yes,
No,
exactly.
scream. We scream.
Sharing your screen.
I'm sharing my scream.
Sharing is caring.
Yes. What is that music in the background? Is it from you or the T-Chef?
I have no idea.
One of you are having a jam in the background.
Like I don't have music in the background, but Harold also doesn't, I think.
Nah.
Okay,
Or is
anyways.
it your background, Lucas?
No. Anyways, Harold.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I would like to. Could you stop that?
Oh wow, mice. Wow, mice.
What does it
Oh
say?
wow, mice.
Okay, anyways.
What is this team? Oh wow, mice. What the fuck is this team?
Harold, Harold,
Moment.
Harold,
Let's do that
stop,
for a moment.
stop, stop.
Yeah, what?
Okay, so could you please just listen to my problem?
Me reading Lucas's code.
I swear, I will deafen you real soon if you don't stop.
Well, I just undeafen myself,
Okay, so I got here. I do a switch statement to figure out if I should use a primitive or then the mesh. If it's a mesh, I would like to generate the mesh,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And then
Oh wow, mice.
so basically what I
No.
Because I need to get it somehow. I don't know, can I... Why am I doing it like this? Why not... How do I... How can I return this thing out from here?
What? Huh?
Because...
If you ain't gonna find the sounds, bro, it's in my test server.
Okay, because I assigned custom shape to be this thing, right? And I would like to, if
Yeah.
it's go primitive shape, I want it to take the custom shape, right?
Okay.
So how can I return that from the switch?
Do you have Nitro?
That's the only way you could do that.
Let's see, but you can't you return it because like as you do with the box shape or whatever.
Yeah, but I create the shape within the switch case. So this one is just I immediately do the
Is
arrow
it-
thing.
Is it allocated on the? But is it stack all or what?
It's on the heap.
Okay, but it's always fine. You can just return it or break it or whatever.
No, but I need to assign it to shape. That's the thing I want to do here.
Yeah, that's easy. Just do the mesh shape, the capture.
Oh,
No, like go up to the capture. Capture the flag, you know.
Oh, I guess I will eat now. Be right back.
Yep.
all right. So yeah,
Sounds good. Now after the capture, do shape colon. And then at the end of this block here, you do break colon shape, and then you pass in the mesh shape.
like here, just break colon.
Yeah, and then mesh or shape. Yeah, it's called. Also, it's technically like break space colon, but it's
Ah.
good to find anyways.
Custom shape.
Nah, it's you call the
Oops.
label shape.
Wait, what? Break. So I do.
The label you made up there. It's called shape.
What the hell?
You do colon shape, and then after that, after the shape, you just pass in the thing. It's like you do a space and then mesh or custom shape.
What the fuck? This is like this?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Exactly.
That's a. I need to find a better way. This is hella confusing.
Nah, bro, this is hella good. Also, should you really do the fur release here?
Yeah, I need to release it after I'm done with the creating of the whole thing. But if I don't use custom shape, then it's like. Wait, this is going through each and every one of them. So actually, this should only happen if. Hmm. I guess I could put it also inside of the... No, I cannot do it. Because what I need to do is kind of... because it goes through each and every... let's say... Okay, so let's say I create two things with custom shape colliders, right? Like so. And basically what this for loop over here, that's what it does here. It basically iterates both of these. And right now, well, I store the custom shape thingy here, and then when I go through here, at this point, I add it's the thing down here. Because here I pick up the shape that is being assigned from here. So let's say if I had a few that used just a simple box collider as well. So they will also be... No. Here. So they will also get from this thing. So here I decide what is the shape that is being used for this specific entity in the physics system. And if it's a primitive, well, then I can see if it's a box, sphere, or capsule. Well, right now I just use box. And then I can just assign that box shape, which gets created at the top, and then they all can reuse the same settings. Yes, that's fine. No, it's not actually fine. Oh, shit. Oh shit! It's not fine. Oh no. Well, we're gonna get into that problem
It's
later.
not.
Uh,
It's not fine. It's not. It's not fine.
it's not fine. No.
It's no. It's not.
Shut
Not.
up!
You
Shut
know.
up! Shut up! But they can they no, they cannot, because it might be different the dimensions for the box shape. I just realized. Shit. Yeah. So I have to change that as well. We'll get to
Okay,
it.
do you know what I think about your architecture? About like here. You know.
No, shut
I
up.
think yeah.
No, 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 no. It's okay. It's okay. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's getting this, you see, because I'm trying to use a
It's pretty bad.
physics library, which I don't. It's my first time using it, and it's my first time doing a hot reloading physics as well. So it's fine that it's a bit weird, and the first time making a game in it, so it's okay that it's not perfect. It just has to work. Oh my god. But yeah. So the thing what I want to do is to figure out the when I go through each shape here, custom shape size, right? In this, if it's a mesh, which is then provided the vertices, they will have that information when I create it. They come from the mesh shape vertices and indices. I can get it from there. So then I can just create this custom mesh, and I need it to be alive inside of this whole while loop. But as soon as that while is done, then it can destroy the settings for that thing, because that after that it's no longer needed. Of course, if I were to use it multiple times, but that's not something that I'm concerned with at this point. But also only if I ever create it, and I don't create it unless if I go in here. So that's kind of like, I could make it an optional and then check in the end if it's not null, then destroy it. Else it will just continue going. Or if there's or could I just add the defer inside of this thing, or will the defer then be counted within this scope? Because I don't think it will be understood that it's within this while loop that it's supposed to use defer. Nah. It couldn't. Could it? Nah. So null is the best, an optional is the best approach I guess I could do for now. Doing it an optional. Yeah. Then we don't do that. Let's see, and then here I'm just gonna say null instead. Future cannot be optional. Ah, come on, you're joking. Okay, well, that sucks. Undefined. With the opaque type is non-extern. What? So I cannot do that either. I have to actually create it on spot if I want to use it. That's okay. We can, then we'll just move it slightly differently. We'll put it in here. Well, these box shapes should also be recreated every time, so I think I could also just... What if I just what if I just did this? We're just gonna take this from here, because this has to happen either way. Ah, convenient. Not really, because now I have to do the same thing again that I just said that looked so nasty. Oh no, we're gonna put this in here. And then instead of doing this, we're gonna just... yeah. Because they all will use different sizes. Or it's not guaranteed, and I'm not gonna... we're just gonna do a shape as... Wait, was that like kind of... or will it understand Is it like still local scope for this, so I can still use it here also? The same name. I will take that as a yes. And else, for now, I will just do the same thing, shape. Like that, and we'll put it there. And then here, to do, the rest of the primitive shapes, like so. Now I can remove that to do. And it's a bit better, I guess, but we'll have the other shapes soon, but for now we'll just go with this. And then at the end of the loop, because they will all, if there's, they will always get a shape. They will always have a shape. So then we can also do, as soon as we have assigned this thing, we can add the per shape dot, what was the thing called? Shape settings? Or it's just release. Maybe it was just release. Simple like that. Wow. Yeah, okay. Const. I could also just immediately do this return here, but I think custom shape just adds a little bit of clarity to what it's being assigned. We don't need that anymore because we only have primitive or mesh. And now let's see. This might actually be it. It's not gonna work though with the... Wait, hold on. What's not gonna work with? Wait. So systems, they initialize this. This needs to also be a little bit cleared, but it's okay. So we initialize a planet with its vertices. We create the mesh. Right. Rook's right. And then it will go here, do that. And then here we now add this thing. But the thing is also, in the renderer, when it goes through rendering, here it just renders the normal meshes. Then it will go here. It will find out that, oh, it's a mesh. And then we'll do nothing. And here we will start to become a quite funny people, because now we have to change stuff. I could use a funny thing. I think there's a funnier thing I could do, which is, okay, I have to think this through, because either I change the layout for the debug meshes, which is over here, because I have normal meshes, and then I have the debug, which right now is just primitive, but they use the same vertex data as the what's it called, the GLTF models. And I'm like, it should just be enough to do the vertices. I don't need anything else than the actual vertices. A color could be fun maybe, but I don't really need it to visualize the hitboxes. So I'm thinking, what if I need a separate array for it? I could use, wait, nothing in this VK mesh is saying that I have to use this specific vertex. It's just a thing that belongs to, oh no, it does use that. Damn it. Well, could it make it more generic? I guess. Shit. Because actually it's just for debugging purposes. I don't need that information. It's so much useless information in this thing. Like I don't need UVs, I don't need normals, and I don't need colors. I just need the positions. But this is really convenient still to creating those meshes. Well, I could still use it. Let's see. So either just rewrite the mesh initialization to be slightly different, to just take in. This will be the same. This would have to change to just be an array of. I could say F32s. I think everything will always be. No, I could not make that assumption. But and then say how big the size of one vertex is, because then I could get the size. That's the only reason that I really need this thing. The rest is, yeah. So I could instead just pass in size of a individual vertex, and then just use that for this process. And then I could just reuse that whenever I need it, and then I could have a separate array for the what's it called again? Debug meshes. That I could do. Or I just do something really funny right now. And let's check the ECS real quick. What do we have here? We have this information, which I just had a brilliant idea where I could move it, but we'll still let it be there for now. Shape mesh capsule primitive mesh. For now, this is what we'll do. We'll just continue on with this. It's I will create a new field called render handle. Yeah. And it will be a usize, like so. And wait, usize, yeah, that's fine. Then we can go back to systems, and what we can do in here, I think this is where it's complaining from. Oh, yes, good. So here it's missing that, and that's okay. What we'll do, it's such a nasty workaround, but it's just for me that I want to see it work before I commit to anything more. And now it should work. I just want to see it work as fast as possible. So what we can do then is that the same way that we did that thing is that we can now const debug mesh handle is equal to try renderer create mesh, and we're not gonna pass in the actual vertices that we just create. Those are just for the so far for the what's it called, the physics system. I cannot talk right now at the same time I'm programming. It's weird. I'm just gonna call it debug planet. And it's the same thing. It's convenient right now, but let's see. Vertices. What the hell? Planet mesh 2? Yes. Indices dot items. I should pass in the vertices first and then the indices. That would look nicer, but I do it the other way around. I'm not getting my LSB. Crazy. Vertices dot items. Unused local constant, that's okay. We're gonna do it. It's gonna be in use over here. Mesh, and then dot debug mesh handle is equal to no, what did I call it? I already forgot what I called. ECS. I called it render handle. Yes, and that comes from the collider. Let's see, renderer, render, like so. And I can go to the renderer, and then here we'll now have access to it at the rendering loop. It will be goddamn awful, but it will work. So we don't care about those. Then we can take this information, yank that, go here, paste that, save that, and instead of doing this, now we can actually go self.meshes. It will be in there, which is actually better. And then now, because we have access to, I didn't capture it. Mesh. I cannot call it mesh. It's the collider. I could also just go through shape mesh, but collider mesh makes sense. Collider mesh dot, and then here render handle. Boom. We will have the mesh. We do the node. First material. Okay, that's one that might be a bit of, I have to check that real quick. And then it should draw. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens. Already there. Okay, good. Terminate signal. That's an interesting one. I haven't had that one before. Let's see. I can do this. It got at least to that part, so let's see. My bad. Nulder, what's up? How are you doing?
Yo, what's up?
What's up, T-Chef?
Guess who's back?
Well, T-Chef. I'm gonna do this. Is it because of the... Oh, no. Oh, no. Wait, I think I might know. Oh, no. So it might be actually in the init of the systems. Oh, no. Long time no see. Wow, current progress is mighty impressive. Thank you. I don't know if you're referring to that thing. We're already past that. We got collision working and physics. I'm just trying to implement a little bit of visualization for the colliders, so it will be easier, and also getting mesh colliders working. So yeah.
By the way, Lucas, do you track your calories?
Not anymore. I used to. But yeah, it became, yeah, long story short, I ended up on the hospital for eating too much. Okay. It was a combination of a little bit of other stuff as well, but my stomach basically went in a shock because when they did tests on me, it was like there was nothing abnormal with it. It's just like I couldn't move. Like I was just like, I was like dead.
Whoa, how many calories did you eat?
I ate. This was still in the beginning of when I started working out, so I was like a skinny boy. I ate 6,000 a day for a whole summer. Yes.
What?
Yes.
What? What?
Yeah. The rule was basically if I didn't feel like puking, I had to eat more. That was the rule. So I even had an alarm in the middle of the night to eat more food. that was
How much did you weigh at the time?
I don't know, it was probably around like something like 50 kilos or something like that. 54, 55. Don't remember actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
nah, you're insane, man. What?
Yeah. I have been there, done that, not going back. That's I'm done. I'm done
But
with that.
6K?
Bro speedrunning America Simulator.
Like 6K is crazy. Like 3K is already like bulking, you know?
Yeah. Yeah,
So I would
it's
say everything is like if you have more than 4K, you are like crazy eating much. But 6K is another level, bro. What?
no, but the guys who are like for real like do body weight building and stuff. Body weight building. What the fuck?
Yeah, but bodybuilding with like pro bodybuilders are doing that, yeah.
They eat 10K at least a day. That's like they
Yeah.
don't do anything else but eat and train. Like I'm like holy fuck. Well, that was basically what I did. I just ate. I just ate and ate and ate. It was crazy. Like I tracked everything. I tracked like to the point, like 1 decimal gram how much I ate. I even tracked water. Like it doesn't even give calories, but it was like how much water do I drink, and like I was so precise with everything. Ah.
Bro, I had the world's biggest eating disorder. That's crazy.
Yeah, because my friend started tracking today again. Like we both used to track in the past.
Mhm.
But I also tracked today for fun. And not gonna lie, it's pretty fun. So maybe I will do it, like continue doing it just for fun.
Bro, I
Yeah.
track how much I eat. I'm like, yeah, how many pieces of bread have I eaten today? Yes, about 2 of them.
For Harold, the
Yes,
question
and
is,
I
Yeah,
also
thing is-
ate a cereal. Yes.
for Harold is like,
Yeah.
have I eaten this week?
Yeah, exactly. Have I eaten?
Yeah, the thing is, I track it, but I just don't care. So if it says, "Oh, you ate too much," I just still eat if I am hungry, and if it says you ate too less, I just don't eat anymore.
Yeah, but
Bro, I'm always hungry.
but yeah, ever since that I stopped tracking. Like after that hospital incident, I was like, okay, I'm done tracking. I'm done. I'm just gonna eat when I need to eat, and I haven't tracked since then. So of course I kind of like, I do have like kind of just experience because I did track, so I kind of know by just looking at food like how much that is and how much should I eat, continue eating as a habit. But I don't take notes or wait. Like I used to put everything on a scale.
I got a feed. I got a feed cheesecake in my basement once.
Yeah. I used to put everything on a scale before I ate anything. It was crazy. Not doing that again.
Right, I'm back. I gave cheesecake some C++ books to eat. Yeah.
Oh,
Sure,
no.
it'll be good.
What do I
They're
want?
pretty thick, so
I want to see that I have valid indices, for example, items.len. Let's see. Because I'm wondering, some data here is incorrect, and I'm wondering what it could be. Sorry.
you look at that. That sounded like something I heard today. It was like
T-Chef, could you do something to this little kid?
Oh wow, mice. Oh wow, mice.
Yeah, it seems to be
wow, my
alright.
eye.
Oh wow, mice.
But
Oh, wow, my eye.
it breaks as
crazy.
soon as I am trying to access.
Linux 2005 moment.
Oh my god. I'm doing something very wrong here. It might be something with. I don't think alignment should be a problem when I use a vec3, right? Could it be?
Well, all I'm saying is that because it's a vector, it's weird.
Maybe I should just switch to using a normal F32 arrays then, instead of a vec.
Nah, you shouldn't. VEC 32 is better because you can do operations on it and shit.
Yeah, but
And it's
for
faster.
for this thing, which is
Just convert it, bro.
well, I need. I mean, I need the size of it. I need the size of the vec3,
Okay.
so they know how big.
That's the size of F32 times 3. Mhm.
Mm.
Intern.
Well, what I meant was that if I should, because this is a bit weird because I'm not like explicitly using this. I'm using a vec3, no. But let's see how far that goes. Yeah, that's the same problem. Okay, so something is weird here. I think I'm creating it correctly. Is it Damon? No, okay, don't do that, man. Don't.
Oh, you
Yeah.
got so happy there. You got so happy, bro. Where is
Yeah.
Damon even?
He died or something, I swear. Indices, non-vertices, vertex size. Yo, what's up, penguin operator?
Actually, no, Damon ain't it. He sent me a short like yesterday.
I'm
Bro,
wondering.
what happened to Damon, bro?
Nothing. Or what?
Vertices,
Hmm?
then
I never saw him in the call like the last 3 weeks.
I don't know. Bro's probably just been scrolling shorts for those 3 weeks.
maybe it could be a pointer problem. I'm gonna try PTR cast. Oh shit. I wonder, does it get outside of the thing if I go here? And I go here and then I can change this to be just well, great. It's fine. It's fine. Hi. That's what I did. It's expecting exactly what I did. What? I don't know. Okay, let's see. It does a high for 1 and then just dies. So that means that this thing is failing right here. And I cannot get information about this thing because that thing is the actual... GPT, help me out here. I think it will know that it's a Jolt's physics library and it's SIG binding. My Intel 4 unknown executor, hello, doesn't support Vulkan. Oh no! Wait, Intel 4000 HD? What the hell? What kind of...
Yeah, bro. What kind of?
Oh. Oh. Where is the actual... It's a Haswell iGPU.
Anyways, ping me if you need me. I'll be back in like 10
Alright.
minutes probably.
Alright. Or IVY bridge weight, not sure. That's crazy. Anyway, let's see. Hard to define without the error message symptom you, but there's a very common gotcha in the code like this. I'll walk through the index buffer type pointer is wrong. The line stands out most. Most physics mesh API, including Jolt style API like mesh shape setting, do not accept slice directly. They usually, yeah, okay. Items pointer, yeah, but I am using the binding and I assume that jolt vertex wants position no normals. Either way, pretty ancient, like third or fourth gen. Third gen, okay, sure. That's damn. You're correct. Only cares about vertex position, normals, UV, etc. irrelevant for physics. So the idea of passing only positions is fine. The problem is almost certain how the data is laid out and passed, not what data you're passing. Even though Jolt ignores normals, it still walks the memory using the stride. You give it the most true. Stride, common mistake. Yeah, passing. Yeah, how is this wrong? How is that wrong? That should be completely valid. Jolt will read normal boom. What? Wait, does it want? What the hell is what is it on about? So struct this will be absolute break. Sig binding, expect raw pointer, not slices. There's no stride, but otherwise a good attempt, bro. I don't think they have an example even in the GitHub repo. I tried to see once, but I didn't see it. Let's see. Use Hyperland? Yes, I use Hyperland. It's I liked the Xorg actually, or X. What was it called? I don't remember. X something. I don't remember. I used to use it, and then I just switched to Hyperland because it was apparently more modern. So yeah. Let's see source. But I don't think they have mesh shapes. Okay. No. This is just the no. This is the actual file. Where do they have examples? I need examples. Where? There's a getting started. Sig people packet bindings for simple sig here. Want the window switcher? Search snappy switcher. Nah. I like this simple just fast key bindings. Like I don't need any these things. I find this to be quick and easy. But thank you. Okay, wait, let's see, what do they have on mesh? Mesh. Let's see, it's actually just called mesh shape settings. Please tell me they use it. They don't use it. No! Can I go to file search? Mesh shape settings, please. I don't understand. Like, always when I try to use the git search tool, it's always like it never finds anything. Except if I find something in make files, that it does. So, like, I don't want to do anything in the make files. I want to see the code. Hey, I made that. Try it. I wish you tried and gave me a review about the context grouping. I think honestly, you should. You can see with somebody else maybe on the server. There are plenty of people on the server who actually like these things, but I'm not. I'm just. I just want. And if there's something that is faster than this, to just switch to whatever place I want to be on, then I will take that. But I care more about efficiency than it looking nice. It just has to be fast. That's the thing it needs to be.
But what are we talking about?
There's he created this thing. I will send it to you. Where are you? I will send it in cool things. And it's snappy switcher, a blazing fast animated alt tab window switcher for Hyperland. So you can quickly, I assume, switch between windows and yeah. Maybe something you would like, T-Chef? Hmm?
Like the thing is, I'm already switching so fast,
Yeah.
and I still have animations like enabled.
Wait.
I don't know. It's
But it's written in C.
like, I mean, it seems interesting.
It's written in
Seems
C.
Okay, let me get it.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Let me get it. Yo, you should have started with that. What was this other talk
Yeah.
about the Windows switcher?
Take my money, bro.
It's faster
That
penguin.
the
I know
style
it's
is
not.
crazy with a stylized graph. Damn, bro, not like the readme seems so AI cooked. It's crazy. But if the guy made it, then props to him. Like
Yeah.
it looks crazy.
I've never seen these. What are these things? What do they? Why do I? Okay, that's
I mean,
crazy.
I can try it.
Eh.
Oh, no, it's this. Wait.
I haven't seen things like this before in a README file. Holy shit.
New challenge, running Doom in a readme file.
For real.
Damn, it's even in Yay. Alright, I mean, that's fire.
So there's stars going up on it. There are GitHub
Yeah, I saw
mermaid
it.
diagram. So it's wait, can I?
I will get it and test it out.
Wait, edit file? How can I edit the file? Wow, crazy speed. I just wanna see. Can I access the, wait, if I go, where's the readme there? And then just raw. Wow, my speed, internet speed is like. I was trying to see just if I could see how that thing is being made in the readme, but oh, it's not all. I like colors, but there are GitHub. Remember? Yeah,
Is this game it created this in your live stream?
yeah, they're in the live stream.
Yeah, I mean, that's fire.
Yeah.
Oh, he said it's not AI. Yeah, then it's actually very nice if it's not AI.
Well, where did you see that? Where am I missing it?
No, he said in your chat, in your live chat.
Bro, okay. I've been video editing for hours today. I'm like, it was like using up my last brain cells before going live. When I read the text, I was like, yo, it's not. And then it was like, all. I like colors instead of AI. I was like, okay, all. But it was not all. I like colors. So it was a great statement. No. But I need to figure out this thing. Why can I not just... How do I do... Dooby this thing? Mesh shape settings. Is there anything on it? It's not... Please seek mesh shape settings. Let's see what it can. It's probably not gonna find anything.
I'm testing it out right now.
All right, do you wanna share screen?
I'll wait on a sec.
All right. I really need to find something that has to do with mesh shape setting. Anything. I really need this thing. Come on. Anything. There's nothing. No. I was supposed to create the thing. I don't even get the debug. It's like literally just going terminated trap. Like, come on. I need this. I don't even know what's going on. What's wrong with this? Maybe it's the defer here. No. No, it cannot be because then
Yeah, I
this
think
thing.
I have it.
You think you have it? Oh shit.
But I don't know if I used every feature or not.
Okay. I will
I
put
mean, it
you.
looks really fire.
Show us, show us, show us. Sure.
Yeah, it's like I mean, it's fire. The thing is, like most of the time, because I have 3 monitors and 3 workspaces on every monitor, like I'm not switching applications that much.
That's true. I got 2 monitors. But yeah.
But not gonna lie, it looks really great.
Yeah. I think if you want use who would use animations probably would like this, but I don't. I don't even have like the you have even animations for opening a terminal. I don't even have it. For me it's just instant. Yeah. Ew.
Yeah, but
Closing them.
so I swear there's no world where this animation will make you less efficient.
It will. Think about it. You have to wait a fraction of a second every time you have to open a terminal, and that compounds. How often do you open a terminal in a day? Tell me.
Yeah, but how often do you open a terminal and type something in the first second?
But it's still like you still have a fraction of a second to be faster. It's not that you still have a fraction of a second to react faster, you know?
Okay, wait, I will disable animation.
And throughout your whole lifetime, you might save a whole 20 minutes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so how do you disable? Do you just say no?
Yeah, just say no.
Holy shit, it's so unclean. I swear.
I don't know,
I
man.
swear.
It's
Not
just.
gonna lie, I think you're more efficient with animation. Because you see more clearly where your window is and stuff, I think.
Nah. You have to wait on them, man. You don't get it.
And it's so laggy. Because
Lag?
your text needs to. Holy shit, nah, bro. Wow, so much better.
The stream froze, but that's it looked like it lagged. But yeah, no. No animations is better. I'm just saying. I'm gonna save those 20 minutes once I'm dead, you know. Tiling window manager.
It looks really great.
It is really great, yes, I agree.
The thing is, like, I couldn't really imagine that I would use it because I'm just not a thing I'm doing often, but
Yeah, no. Tiling window manager, ... What is that supposed to mean?
About the monitor. Or carry on finger.
Could I don't know why. But create shape settings. Create mesh shape settings. Why can I not just I don't, I don't know. Where is it going wrong with this thing? Because it seems to be. I'm gonna do the most
But
pro.
not gonna lie,
Hmm?
sometimes I find my way like using the Wofi thing feature where you have basically the same feature with like opening and displaying all the windows, you know. And I think it's better actually a better alternative than that. It looks cleaner.
Ah, yeah.
Especially
So
when like sometimes your windows disappear when you, I don't know, update your
so it fails when it
things
tries
and
to
then
create the actual shape. Okay. Box shape, mesh shape, settings. Defer, but that should be fine. I mean, I could try to do this once just to see if it. Yeah, no, still gonna crash. Okay. I don't know. I feel like I'm doing this right. It's Rook's right. I have no idea why this wouldn't be fine.
yeah, but I really like the project. Like it seems they put a lot of work in it.
Hmm. I'm really confused right now.
Like it's
Holy
easy
sh!
to install. Nah, it's fire. I don't know, is Cheesecake here? Cheesecake, hello, hello.
Is Cheesecake here? Hello?
But Cheesecake doesn't use Hyperland, right? I don't even know what Cheesecake uses.
I don't know.
I just know he
His own
X XFCE. Never heard of it.
it's his own main thingy, I swear. There's
Oh,
convex
so this guy
shape.
has he wrote his own kernel because he doesn't have any core utils, I swear.
Sphere shape,
He doesn't have
triangle
CD.
shape. Yeah.
Nah.
Capsule shape.
When he wants to use CD, he first needs to make a flex not flexing, nix thing and get it. The dependency.
Create. Get max
Uh,
triangle per. Is it just because I'm not really doing. What is this? Sanitize. Because I really need to get that thing working, and yeah. It all depends on that thingy, so I'm really confused. Why can I not just. What's wrong with my settings? I mean, it shouldn't be anything wrong with this, but it is wrong. What if I did a. What if I. Wait, no, hold on. No, because I don't even get to this point. It's still in this crate shape that breaks. Why? It should be fine, but it's not fine. That's so sad. I could try just. Could I create a triangle shape? Just out of like, based on this information, just. Oh, unknown executor. Thank you for the 20. I don't know what currency that is, but thank you. That's much appreciated. Let's see, we can try this. So we'll take the vertices point. Could I just create an arbitrary array in here? Could I just go const, and then we'll say vert, and then we'll just say an array. I will just do 3, and then vertices will just be f32s. So we'll do 3, like so. I think that's fire. We'll do that, and then we can do this. I hope Harold is not here to watch this. He would cry seeing what I do. Probably some other professional SIG programmer would also cry. Don't worry. And then we'll do that. We'll do this. We'll do that. And so, and something is very wrong. Right. So, And then this one we'll put it in 0, 0, 0. Then we'll take this one, put it in 1, 0, and then we'll take this one and then we'll put in 1 over there and then 0, 0, 0. So that's our vertex right now. And then what we can do is that we'll just take this. I don't know how this, if it will even approve of this approach. Expected const opaque, so wow, that might be it. Wait, hold on. Can I just do, I will take a pointer from it and then I might have to pointer cast it. No? Okay. Okay, never mind then. Then we'll pass in here. This was how many vertices, and we will have 3 of these vertices. The size of each vertex is f32 times 3, and then I need an array list of indices. And this will just go 0, 1, and 2. Simple like that. Brother, I forgot the parentheses. Whatever. And then we'll just pass in the index. Like so, and we'll take this thing away from there and save that. Let's see. Then probably this. Hold on, wait. Shouldn't that be just like that? Const. Ah, it just wants the slice. It still takes the thing. Biden, dude, it's midnight here. We go where you like my work as star will be appreciated. Ah, yeah. I can do that, yeah. Wait, where was it? There, boom. We'll look into it in a bit, probably. I don't think I would use it, but after stream I will look into it a bit more. Let's see. Why can I not just do this? Isn't that the same thing? Yeah. And I don't think I should do an address off, so we'll change it to be instead. We'll make it like this. And then we can replace this with that. And what am I doing? Wait, there was something. So you did it. This I don't remember how one did this. Is it removing the dot? Was it like this? Yeah, easy first try. Fuck, what is wrong now?
Bro, Cheesecake, I don't
Ah.
know what you're cooking, but how do you produce this high quality code so fast? Like what? Like bro. It's Cheesecake is a bit different. That's really fire. I'm not gonna.
Okay, that's it. I should create a triangle. Oh, it went further though. It actually got to height 3. Yo, okay, so it's just something weird going on still. Let's see, I will take this and I will put it at the end over here now. High 5. Let's see. Okay.
Bro.
So it only gets, so now it breaks in here because
it
of.
certainly doesn't look bad.
What are you talking to? What are we talking about?
Cheesecake.
Yeah, I was thinking because this looks bad. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it gets to this thing. Why would it break here now? Because now it has the shape and a matrix Euler to quad. I would like to take this down here. It's really
Oh.
hard to see, but
You're right.
that should all be valid information. The only thing I could not be valid is maybe this thing. Let's see. Let's change all of the objects to be static. That should be fine. It will require less information then, so. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, interesting. That's all fine. That's also fine. That's fine. Could I do?
Cheesecake is speed running all the projects that
Mhm.
I want to do, but he does it like in one day.
Okay.
Like, bro, I didn't even come to making the water simulation yet. And he makes LSP now. And it's, damn.
Interesting. Okay, we'll motion type. What is this? Just okay, we'll store this in the collider. Motion type. So is this the only thing that needs to be static, and then it's fine. Yeah, okay. And then if I go here and I change this to, well, I cannot do this, I think. Moving. Yeah, that's not fine. So this one has to be static. Okay, so we can store the type motion type. Okay, ECS. Fuck. Wait, they have an ECS? No, that's mine. So in the collider, you can also store motion type, Cephy motion type. And by default, I'm not gonna give it that default. You always have to provide it. Fuck that. Yeah. So then we can go into systems and save here, and it will complain. And then we can see here, collider. I think that's pretty much the last thing I would like to. Like, where should it actually come from? It should be in here, yeah. Motion type. And then here, this one is the player, so I want this one to be dynamic. But then when I create the one, this one, oh my god, this is, let me just add a few of these. Just so it's a bit readable, this is so hard. Let's see, shape. Like so. I think it's there, right? Shape. No. It belongs to the shape. Motion type is equal to static. It was wrong. It was there. Like that. And then we can go back to physics. Then in here, we can now take, because we have access to the collider dot motion type. And there's an error somewhere in the player, because the player also summons these things. But I'm not gonna care about this thing for the moment. I'm not gonna create an entity. Or actually, I'm going to. So collider. And let's see, I will provide that, save that.
So, what's going on?
Not good.
As usual, though. Okay.
Yeah, nothing from the motion type. I don't know. Bam. All right. Anything else? No, that should be it. Physics, and let's see. Perfect. I can move, and I should not be able to. Well, there should be some collision going. Oh wait, that's a triangle. I forgot about it. And if I go to the renderer, and we'll disable. I don't even render that thing. That's great. Okay, we'll disable drawing the actual stuff, so we'll just have the debug stuff. Yes, perfect. We won't see that thing. Okay. So let's save that real quick, and then we'll go into here, and let's see. I don't know. Let's see, this might crash. It didn't. It did. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, but if I restart, it shouldn't crash this time. Nah. Now we're chilling. Cool. Okay. Interesting. I was actually expecting to see something there. Oh yeah, hot reload will crash this thing. Let's chill with this for a while. We're not gonna continue with this thing because it will access the wrong thing. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Let's go back to physics. And let's see. So, why is this incorrect then? Because it shouldn't be. It breaks at 2. Okay. The only thing I could think of is that it doesn't like this thing. Expected any opaque, and then do an add PTR cast. Okay, that was the thing. Ah, that's crazy. But now there's no collision though. Don't worry about the descriptor sets and the pipelines. It's intentional. It's just convenience at the moment. I shouldn't be able to walk here. Wait, what? That one shouldn't have a collider. Wait, what? Wait, is it there? I'm so confused because something is definitely blocking me, but it's not the right thing. Right, I'm not drawing it. Ah, yeah, I forgot. I was like, why is it? Why is it? Something is there, but it's not the right thing. But something is there. Oh, they might be in the wrong order. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. Okay, but now if that works, if we go back to the renderer and we do this. Let's see. Oh no. Okay, why did that crash? That shouldn't have. What? We're back to the same problem? Was that just... No, wait. What? That shouldn't have anything to do with it. Yeah. Okay, good. So why did it work there for a moment? What the fuck? Is it then something that the... Okay, the only other logical thing could be is that the vertices are actually not stored on the heap, even though I stored them on the heap. What the fuck? That doesn't make sense. Why would it not be stored on the heap? It should be stored on the heap. Okay, what if I intentionally leak memory? That's a good idea. Let's do that. Let's leak that. Yeah, okay. So it's still, why did it work for a moment? The only logical solution, the only logical reason for that to work would be if I don't have persistent memory. Because then usually these problems happens. I don't see another reason for this to be able to happen. Should try to mesh. The fuck? Well, at least we got that thing. That's pretty good. But yeah. Why would this not work? Wait. But hold on. It got to. Wait, that's even weirder. That it gets to the part 4. Wait, what? So this is not even a problem anymore. Okay. Now it's just that the motion type is problematic with this thing. Okay, let's say not move. Let's see. Nah, still? Okay. Systems, let's see. But I'm telling it to be static. And I want the player to be static. Then we cannot move, and that's not good. I don't even have anything else. Hey, can you react on my edits? What do you mean react on your? No, I cannot. I need to react to my own program not working. Why would that be a problem? That shouldn't be a problem. That shouldn't even be persist. What the fuck? What the hell? I mean, I can understand this one kind of slightly, not really. But for me to have to do the player to be static, that doesn't make sense at all. Not at all. What if I just made it kinematics? Oh. Ah. That was a lot of leaks. That was a lot of leaks. Sure, it didn't like the kinesmatic at all. New memory type. Damn. That's crazy. That was not good. Oh wait, it got to 1, 2, and then it kind of died or something. Huh. Everything should be fine. I'm gonna run it again. Ah, no, it's not good. It's not good. I want the player to be dynamic. That's something I cannot kind of sacrifice, because what's the point of the whole game if you cannot move? Okay, great. So what the hell? We actually get to this thing. That's good, I guess. Now I just would like to also be able to get a little bit further. But I'm just too tired for this right now. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's it's 22. It's my bedtime. I think I will just sleep on it. Probably. It's sad that there's no more reference or information on it on the SIG binding. Maybe I should actually just look into the JOLTS actual documentation. Maybe they have something that could explain why. Just quickly gonna check it out before I hit that bed. Let's see. I think it's this thing. I'm so tired that I don't even know what. Okay. I think they call it the same thing. Create shape mesh shape that thing. And if I go here and I look into what they call it over here, I think they would call it shape mesh. Let's see, shape mesh. Shape mesh. Let's open. Okay. Let's see. What do we have? Can you just open shape mesh? Okay, let's see. This is the CPP file. Nothing more. All right, great. Shape mesh settings. Is there like just information about detailed? Mesh shape consists of triangles. Mesh shapes are mostly used for static geometry. They can be used by dynamic or kinetic objects, but only if they don't collide with other mesh or height field shapes, as those collisions are currently not supported. Okay. Well, I'm not making it. I'm making it static now. Note that if you make a mesh shape a dynamic kinematic object, you need to provide a mass yourself, as mesh shapes don't need to form a closed hole, so don't have a well-defined volume from which the mass can be calculated. Could it be... Okay. No, it should be fine if I do it to be... Bro, I said I was gonna go to sleep, but I'm not going. I'm not going to bed. Wait. Could it? But then I feel like this should be completely valid what I do. I just say static and it should use static. Now what the hell?
Alright guys, I will go now because I need still to train.
Alright, good luck to you, Chef. Enjoy your train, and I will see you tomorrow, right?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. You will.
Yeah. Alright. Good night.
Because tomorrow starts school for me again, you know, for my internship.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I don't want to. Well, I'm getting the grades, you know, like because it's half year and
Yeah.
yeah.
Danina.
Alright, so see ya guys.
See
Good
ya.
night. Good luck with all the projects.
Good night.
And good night.
Type 0. But type 0 is static. Yeah. Okay, I have no idea why this is breaking. Yeah. I will figure it out tomorrow. I will go sleep now. This is I'm tired. All right, I'm gonna go. See you later, everybody. We'll figure this out sometime. We will. Good night. T-Chef, I mean Harold, hit it. You wanna hit it? Oh, he's not here. Okay, I will hit it.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck is this piece of shit?